Hello, I'm going to take 2 pots of potatoes today. Both contain shallot, a single potato in a 10-inch pot. This is shallot, and what I'm hoping to do is to turn the pot out onto this tray and be able to turn the tray around so that you can see what I can see as I take these potatoes. Before I do that, I want to show you something. These pots are so lightweight that you can actually feel the potatoes in the pot, and I can feel a potato there. I'm not too sure if you'll see this, but the sides of the pot are bulging where I've marked with the chalk. I'll just turn it slowly, you might be able to see it, you might not. There's a potato, I can feel it with my finger. There's a potato there I can feel with my finger. Anyway, what we'll do is, we'll take these tops off, we'll empty this pot out. Won't we, Molly? We'll empty this pot out. Molly says, yeah, we're okay to go. Molly says, we're good to go, so we go. Throw that out the way, Moll. So if we stand this here, now what we'll do is we'll put this on top of the pot like this. We'll try and turn it over. Ho, ho, ho. This could be a catastrophe. Maybe not. Oh no, we're happy with that. Okay, now if this soil ball holds together, this should look good. Throw that out the way. Well, it's not looking so good so far, is it? I was hoping to do that and for you to be able to see potatoes pushing out here. There isn't a single one visible, although I could feel them in the pot. Let's see what we've got. Hello, hello. Right, let's move some of this compost out the way. Let me turn it round now. How's that looking? Seeing a few more potatoes now, aren't we? I've got to tell you, these potatoes, they really are clean. I mean, look at that. How clean is that? Absolutely beautiful. My gardening assistant's saying there's one of those for me, homegrown, isn't there? Remember, I only put 1 set in this pot. And look what we're getting out. Oh, by the way, we'll do a weigh-in. We'll do a weigh-in. How's that? 1 potato in, all those out. That's got to be a result. Now we'll put this to one side. We'll do the second pot and then we'll do a weigh-in. Let me just put these somewhere safe. Well, that first pot was a good reveal, wasn't it? Let's see what we can get out of this second pot of shallot. We used that same method. I think it went quite well, didn't it? Let's say you do this with your 5-gallon bucket. 10-litre pots, can't beat them. Next, good flow water buckets, 4 holes drilled in the bottom. Recycle, recycle. That's what we say at Homegrown Veg. Okay, oh, now then. We'll see if you're aware. Can you see those? Can you see those? Right, let's take this apart, see what we've got. Okay, so Charlotte's produced again. Oh, oh, and incidentally, I don't think I've mentioned this as I've been making the video. I know I've mentioned it on numerous occasions before. These are store-bought potatoes that I've set aside, chitted and grown on. There's videos on the channel. Anybody tells you you can't grow store-bought potatoes, point them in this direction, would you please? I've got a few small ones on here, which is fortunate, because that's what I like to give Molly. If I'm going to give her any, I don't want to give her huge big potatoes, and you need to be careful, you can't. Right, how's that? Okay, I think the first one had more potatoes, probably a heavier yield. How's that looking? Just one went in, all those out. Tell you what, Mol. There you go, sweetheart, can you reach? There, one more. Good girl, that's it. Now you can't have any more because, well, because you can't, that's it. You've been a good help today. I'll just put these out the way. Can you hear the blackbird singing? Been on the roof all morning, singing his head off. Okay, this was our first pot. Let's see what we've got. What have we got? We'll have to have a look. That looks like £1.25 to me. Let's get a bit closer. £1.25, do you agree? Okay, first pot, £1.25. This compost, by the way, isn't finished yet. As you know, we like our recycling at Homegrown Veg. Recycled house bricks, recycled water buckets, recycled potatoes, recycled compost. That compost is going to go back into here, and it'll either grow leeks, or it'll grow celery, or it'll grow more potatoes this year. But it's not finished yet. Right, see what we've got here. What was that first one? £1.25. Can't see this one beating it. Molly, I've just spotted another titchy for you. There you go, sweetheart. Last one. Don't ask for any more. Good girl. Oh, we're just on £1. Let's get in closer. £1 of potatoes from the second pot, £1.25 from the first pot. Okay, so this is Homegrown Veg signing out. Come on, Molly, let's have a brew.